Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Nerve.
I can't believe any of this. People are going to be so disappointed to hear that the concert's off.
Rookie! Pat!
Tile!
What's going on?
Over there.
Huh?
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Matt, you're here!
I don't care. Lightning, now that you're retired, I need you first thing Monday morning for a photo.
Not my turn, don't.
There's nothing this ropey can't handle. Just wait and see. I'll do just fine.
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Shut up.
first I thought you were out here because your GPS was broken.
Not to public. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on you.
Hey, I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know. Tahiti, maybe. He's got...
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't... McQueen and Sally, apartment 8K, K-I-S-S.
Give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I've got dirt in my rib.
Stagarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jumping now, man.
Pretty.
McQueen suddenly moves to the outside.
I cannot believe what I just saw.
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Like the animals were in charge of the railway in India. I didn't think that could ever happen.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without...
The direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's racing school! And
Esos no son faros. Son tubos de escape.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Is that
that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you left?
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour. 200.